Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and low miles. Features also include remote start, parking sensors, technology package, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2014 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.